are going to begin practice today in Sahu pose. Allow your body to completely relax and release on your mat. Your feet are about hip-width distance apart, palms facing up towards the heavens. Allow the events of the day to slowly roll off of you onto your mat as you begin to connect with your breath. With a gentle inhale through your nose and an exhale out of your nose. Again, gentle inhale through your nose and exhale out of your nose. Allow your practice this evening to be a gentle practice of release as you begin to prepare your mind and your body for rest. Continue to stay connected with your breath as you inhale through your nose and exhale out of your nose. Be mindful of how your body feels here. Is there any place you may be holding any tension? Relax your brow, relax your face, and breathe. Inhale through your nose and exhale. Inhale through your nose and exhale. On your next inhale, bring both knees in towards your chest. Extend your right arm over your head as you allow your body to gently fall towards the earth, resting your head on the inside of your arm. Inhale through your nose and exhale as you reset here. Plant your left palm into the earth as you press up and come to your hands and your knees, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Inhale, gaze goes up, soft drop in your belly as your tailbone lifts. Geb, exhale, chin to chest, belly button presses towards your spine, Newt. Again, inhale, gaze goes up as you lift your tailbone, Geb. Exhale, chin to chest, belly button to spine, Newt. Last time here, inhale, gaze goes up, Geb. Exhale, Newt. Inhale, come back to a neutral spine. Bring your knees to touch, big toes and heels to touch. Keeping your feet flat on the ground, bring your hips back towards your heels as you lengthen your arms forward, Mesu Haru. If your forehead cannot reach the ground here, maybe grabbing a soft towel or a block to support so that you can allow yourself to completely release into this posture. Very light engagement in your arms or your shoulders as you connect to your breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale out of your nose. Allow yourself to completely release. On your next inhale, come back up to your hands and your knees, neutral spine. Keeping your knees and feet touching, bring your heels to touch as you shift your hips over your heels in a variation of Sesh pose. This allows us to lengthen in the tops of our feet. We're going to give our feet some love here in this portion of our practice. We've spent a long day on our feet. Our feet have been a huge support, and we just want to begin to maybe work through some of the tension and stress that we've put on our feet throughout the day. Stay connected to your breath here as you inhale through your nose and exhale out of your nose, bringing your palms in front of you and releasing your feet. On your inhale, tuck your toes, both big toes touching, heels touching, and once again shift your hips over your heels. Coming back to our sesh pose, your feet may begin to get a little juicy in this posture, but know that you're just working through a lot of the connective tissue, working through the fascia in your feet. Once again, giving them some love from all of the work that they've done throughout the day. If at any time it becomes too much, you can always lean your weight forward to take some weight out of your feet, give yourself a little break, and then come back in. On your next inhale, bring your palms down, shift your weight forward, release your feet, coming back to our sesh variation. Tops of your feet are lengthened on your mat. Hips come over your heels as you connect with your breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale out of your nose. Again, inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, bring your palms behind you, fingers facing the back wall as you begin to extend through your chest, opening through your shoulders and taking your gaze up towards the heavens. Exhale as you stay here, and with each inhale, really press through your palms as you lengthen longer through the front side of your body. Inhale, lengthen long, and on your exhale, release as you bring your palms back towards your thighs. Inhale, and on your exhale, shift your hips to the right or the left as you gently bring your legs out in front of you. Sitting tall, spine aligned. Maybe work through your toes and your feet and your legs a little bit to release from our sesh pose. Inhale, arms come up. And on your exhale, gently fold forward, not staying here long. As we inhale, begin to slowly roll up, vertebra by vertebra, until you come back all the way up to a neutral spine. Inhale, fingertips lengthen up. Exhale, gently begin to fold forward, not forcing, just allow your body to tell you how deep you can go. And on your inhale, gently begin to roll back up nice and slow. Let your head and neck be the last things that come up. Last time here, inhale, fingertips come up towards the heavens, and exhale, gently allow your body to fold forward. We're going to stay here for a moment in our forward fold. Once again, you have the option of bringing a blanket or a block onto your legs to allow yourself to completely release into the posture. Not forcing or pushing, just allowing your body to be where it is naturally as you stay connected to your breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale. On your next inhale, gently begin to roll up, coming back to a neutral spine, and exhale, release. Bring the soles of your feet to touch, allowing your knees to fall gently out towards the side. You're going to allow your diamond to be as long or as short as you'd like, depending on the mobility in your hips. You can definitely keep your feet out a little further away from you, or bring your heels closer in, whatever feels comfortable in this moment during your practice. And once you've found that sweet spot, inhale, lengthen long, and then exhale, allow your body to fold forward. Once again, allow your body to guide how deep you go into the posture. Feel free to use a yoga block for your head to allow yourself to release deeper into the posture. Stay connected to your breath as you inhale through your nose and exhale. Inhale and exhale, and on your next inhale, gently roll up to a seated position, neutral spine. Scoot a little further up, closer towards the top of your mat, keeping the soles of your feet touching, and gently coming down to your elbows and then to your back, allowing your arms to fall out, palms facing up towards the heavens. Giving ourselves a little more space to open up in our hips here. Staying connected to your breath as you inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, guide your knees to touch, bringing the soles of your feet down towards your mat, bringing your heels a little closer towards your hips, and then pressing through your heels gently. Just begin to lift your hips up towards the heavens, keeping your gaze down the midline of your body. Not so much engagement in your legs or glutes, just pressing through your heels as you connect to your breath as you inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Gently release back down towards your mat. On your next inhale, guide your knees in towards your chest. And on your exhale, allow your knees to gently fall to the left side of your body as you open up your right arm and take your gaze over your right shoulder. Staying connected to your breath here, really allowing yourself to release into the earth. Deep inhale through your nose and exhale out of your nose. On your next inhale, gently guide your knees back to the center line of your body. And on your exhale, allow your knees to gently fall to the right side as you take your gaze over your left shoulder. Once again, maybe closing your eyes, bringing in the intention of rest, sleep, and rejuvenation. Connect to your breath as you inhale through your nose and exhale. On your next inhale, guide your knees back in towards the center line of your body. Maybe give yourself a gentle hug as you bring your knees in, forehead towards your knees, squeeze, squeeze. And on your exhale, release your legs down. Palms come out and up towards the heavens. bringing ourselves full circle back to our Sahu pose. Allow your legs to release. Allow your hips to release. Allow your arms to release. Your face is relaxed. Connect to your breath as you inhale through your nose and exhale. As you gently begin to bring the intention and energy of rest and relaxation into every part of your body. Again, deep inhale and exhale, release. I hope you enjoyed this bedtime Kemetic yoga flow. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Mary Hotep.